So anyway, it's been a while since I, Franz Ferdinand VIII, have shown anything about my lot of Schlage goodies. So, here's a bit of an update. And I'm going to begin with these two. And these two are essentially kit-bashed locks, which I built out of parts from other locks. This one here is more of a bright brass theme. Whoops. It's actually getting stuck on the exterior trim. Here's that. The cylinder I repinned. Here's the other one that I kit bashed. Except this one is master keyed. There's one key and another key with different bitting. I'll get to master keying in a separate video. Now this Schlage Model B 360 is kind of finicky. And that is solely because of its of the way it extends and retracts the bolt. So there's that. And then there's this. A big honkin' lever with a big honkin' latch. Now, it was on the 29th of November in the year 2021 that I was able to pick open this cylinder, and now any of these keys could turn this plug, because I could now, because as you can see, I could turn it with my fingers. And just as demonstration, I'm going to take this key from here and stick it in. I barely even stuck it in, and it's still retracting the latch. So yeah, there's that. Now the key that I took it out of was this Schlage Model A53 PD Plymouth knob. Now remember the cylinder from the beginning? This is actually out of the Plymouth knob. And now what I did was on the 18th of November, I decided to tear this entire lock set apart just to swap the cylinder. So now I could take this key, lock the exterior, stick it in, and I could turn it, which, as you can see, retracts the latch. I've had a lot of fun with this. Now as for this, when I took it out, I noticed that it read, and so if it'll focus, C123. And for any of you Schlage, so they say, enthusiasts, you'll know that that is the original Everest. So you'll likely see me using this cylinder somewhere else. Maybe even in this A series again, but who knows? Now, there is another lock that I purchased separately from the lot of goodies. And that is this Schlage Model B 262P twin-cylinder deadbolt for under $20, which is a really good deal, especially considering the square bolt. So here's one side, and once I could stick it in, whoops, wrong way. The other side. So yeah, that is an update on my lot of goodies as of Tuesday, the 30th of November in the year 2021. And so if you actually liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe. And so I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, drive safely! I was actually able to get this Everest open only once, but unfortunately, I locked it back up. And since then, I haven't been able to get it open. And then, there's this master lock number 5422D key box. Now, I actually forgot the combination to this a while back, and what I ended up doing was punching out the hinge pin. So now, I could lift from the bottom of the door and just slide it off, revealing that the correct numbers are 1, 5, 7, 9 star. I mean, it's not the most covert way of entering a key box like this, but it works, so but yeah, with that, thanks for watching.